Use my razor right now to scrape it, shave it, all the unnecessary hair on my face. So let's just go.
Do just what you want. You're the one to try.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Bukola Gold. If today is your first time of stopping by, welcome. And if you've been here supporting me from day one, I say thank you for always supporting me. Blowing you guys kisses, hug and love. So today guys, today's video we're gonna show you guys of how I shave my face. Yes, how I shave my face. Yeah, I'm a kind of hairy lady. I have hair all over my face, my sideburn, on my skin, on my thigh, my legs. I am very hairy. Yes, I am. I know that. Let me just say, weekly I shave my legs and all that. And I don't want to go for waxing because go through the whole pain and all that. But today guys, how I shave my face and what I use. Basically, I'm gonna be shaving with a razor today, so stay tuned and don't go anywhere. The facial hair is not gonna get thicker when you shave it. I mean, when you need a cotton pad or cotton wool. I like to go for Garnier Skin Active Micellar Water. This is my go-to cleanser. I love it. We need a skin toner. I mean, whatever you want to use. Lizelle, yeah, Lizelle skin instant boost skin tonic. Hello. If you don't want to use a cotton pad, you can use a face wipe. You need like a natural oil, but I prefer to use this Garnier, the Silk Perfector oil. This is made with pure coconut oil, so I love to use this mask. Yeah, this is from Garnier as well. Garnier Skin Active Moisture Bomb. So don't forget guys, you're going to be using your razor. Yeah, you need the razor. Please don't use the, anyway, you can actually use it if you know how to use it. Very careful using it, but I'll try to get this razor. I think this is more professional. I actually got this on Amazon. Yeah, but use just this one. Yeah, this is what I will be using. Charlotte Tilbury cream. This is actually a travel size, which I'm going to use this as my moisturizer after I finish. And lastly, what I'll be using is the Ordinary Retinol. I love this whole video, and let me show you how I'm going to use all of these together. So stay tuned. Yeah, as you guys can see, I am very hairy. I have hair all over my face. Clean to your neckline. It's very, very important. You clean to your neckline. So I just put like one drop here and one drop here, because you definitely need oil on your face. You don't want to shave your face like very dry like that. You are definitely going to cut yourself, so you need like oil or something silky that is going to make the blade or the razor go smoothly on your face. Do not cut your face without putting like a serum like oil or something on your face. If not, it will end in tears. I mean, so I'm going to use my razor right now to scrape it, shave it, all the unnecessary hair on my face. So let's just go. See, you don't beg. Do not shave your face. Do not shave upward. You shave this way. See. Just grab your tissue and my skin toner, my instant boost skin, and it's a 15-minute face mask actually. Yeah. Yo. Skin actually need this. Tell you the recipe or put it down in the description box. This is so nice. It's pineapple, ginger, and orange, natural orange. I'm just gonna put it in the description. Yeah, you can hear that the timer is ringing. So I'm just going to peel off the mask. And then allow the mask serum dry on my face before I apply the rest ingredients. And lastly, I'm going to apply the ordinary retinol serum. I always like to put my whole serum last. I honestly don't understand why people put a serum first before the water-based face cream. For me, I believe that you should put oil on your face or serum. So for me, I always put my serum or my oil last on my face. That's what I used to do. So always treat your neckline too. Whatever things you put on your face, make sure you put it on your neckline and your hair as well, because it is very important. So no whatever, no beer, everything is off, and now I have a fresh face. Yeah, it's the finished look. Like, here is the end of this video. I actually love the way my face feels. I love it. It feels so smooth and it feels so soft. Like, I can actually feel my skin. Like, I can actually touch and feel like, oh, I'm touching like a first layer of my skin, which I love about it. And I'm very sure if I put on my makeup, everything's just going to be so silky and so smooth. So guys, this is just the end of this video. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for watching this video. Till then, please don't forget to subscribe, like, turn on the notification button so that when I post a video, you will be the first to see it. So till then, stay blessed. Love you. Bye.